inflating tyres up to the size of a tractor and four-wheel drive tyre. Simply clip the coiled air hose to the pump using the quick release clips. Attach to the battery with the pump's crocodile clips, then screw to the desired valve. Then flick the switch for immediate inflation. With a 3-metre battery cable, it's ideal to stretch to those faraway points. The added coiled hose gives it an extra 8 metres length, and with a built-in pressure gauge to visually keep a check on the correct inflation pressure. The supplied adapters mean that it's capable of inflating balls and bicycle tyres much quicker than a conventional hand pump. Lightweight and portable, it comes in a smart black carry case that neatly houses the pump, coiled air hose and various valve adapters.